Packaging is critical in order to provide everyday products to consumers in a safe way. Plastic is indispensable to fulfill these everyday needs. We encounter plastic packaging in almost everything we do, buy and make. With today's knowledge, it is lightweight, cost-effective and durable. At the same time, with modern requirements and environmental challenges, producing plastic becomes more challenging. CrateOM is a solution based on Microsoft Azure that helps companies digitalize internal processes to maximize operational efficiencies and improve visibility across the organization.
ALPLA is the world leader in manufacturing of plastic rigid packaging formats. We are the trusted supplier of the world's most famous and biggest consumer goods brands. Today we operate 180 sites in 45 countries, and our focus is really of driving the manufacturing process to the next level. With ALPLA Smart Production, we aim to develop a solution that identifies problems real-time on the production floor and then provides a solution support system as they encounter the problem. Therefore, we introduced CrateOM, because the system has huge advantages for us with this idea of a process monitoring and process flow digitalization. It's scalable, which is important to cover at the end stage 180 sites, and it allows us to take the learnings from the different sites and with that continuously feed and improve the operating system, and with that create more impact on the floor.
CrateOM is a smart factory solution that delivers in-app communication and real-time data insights. The solution's real-time alerting of issues while operating the factory helps companies reduce waste and downtime. The functionality of custom workflows within the solution enable companies to digitalize their workflows and operations within a factory, as well as standardize factory operations across multiple factories going forward. CrateOM is a leading technology for smart factories built from the edge to the cloud, specifically the Azure cloud, in our deep collaboration with Microsoft.
About digitalization, the system gives us the possibility to work paperless and also to create digital workflows for efficient work of our teams. For example, between setup and quality, or between the shop floor and the maintenance. The target is to create the possibility to support our employees on different levels according to their personal skills. So a beginner will get much more support out of the system than an expert. As we get standardized notes, checklists and workflows, our employees are guided through their daily standard tasks. The alarm notes support our operators to react faster if they have problems on their machines. Also, they get a better overview about their machines, as they are not able to have an eye on all their machines at the same time.
Microsoft Azure is bringing scalability and IoT resources so that CrateOM can support their global customers. The good thing about Azure is its global infrastructure. That helps and enables CrateOM to be hosted in cloud or on the edge or even in a hybrid model. In manufacturing, security and compliance is core to be able to enable their production 24/7. And with Azure's global security standards, CrateOM can actually provide governance and compliance across the enterprise. What a great partnership Microsoft and CrateOM is having when they're working together, bringing big data solutions to the factory floor.
Learn more about the CrateOM solution by visiting crateom.io.